Hi everybody, I'm Adam Rogers, U.S. Product Manager for NETIO.
Hi, my name is Elyse Provencher and I'm a Key Account Manager.
So we're here at ISE 2025. Let's go take a look at the booth, yeah?
Come on over.
So we're here at the ISE 2025 booth. We're going to take a look at some of the new products, yeah? So we'll go ahead and start right here at the top. First new product that we're going to talk about today is the NETIO PowerDIN 3-phase. This is a really awesome piece that gives you 3-phase control through all of it. It's got 16 amp per channel, 3 independent relays to control everything from there on one individual piece. So you have one LAN connection. And then from there, we go down to our PowerCon. So we have either a 4 or an 8 PowerCon unit, where again, you have the PowerCon locking connector. It gives you the ability to make sure that when you plug it in, it stays plugged in. It's a great piece for that. Where we have the 4PV and the 8QV on those as well. And then of course, for myself, I'm in the US, but we have here, the North American, we have the 4 outlets, 4KB, as well as the 4PB. And then of course as well, we have the 8KB and the 8QB. Difference there, of course, is whether it's metered or non-metered, and of course 4 or 8 outlets. Below that, we have our power cable 2KB and 2PB as well. Same thing there, metered or non-metered, but in this case, it's a 2 outlet setup with the pigtails coming off of it for that as well.
Yeah, so here we have PDU for LED walls, up to 192 cabinets, up to 48 square meters of LED wall, so that's quite a lot of LED wall. We have here potential of 12 times 16 amps, 24 outputs with one LAN connection, so that's great for the one IP address situation. And you can actually have it with a single button control, so you can have a little button like this, or through integration here, we're using Scarhoy, where you press a button and it turns everything off. Wait a little bit and then turn everything back on. It should go on momentarily. And then you hear the ticking as it goes. Look at that, how beautiful it is.
All right, so we're here at the cloud. We'll go ahead and take a look at it and see what you have as options. The primary thing you want to focus on with the cloud is that this gives you the ability to access your PDUs remotely without needing to be on site with them. So the benefit for that, of course, is that when there's a problem or you need to remotely manage them, that means turn them on, turn them off, reset, whatever it is, you can do that either from a web browser or from an app on your phone. So let's take a look at the web browser version of it first. So on here, you have the ability to go in and you can see all of your outlets that you have access to and control of. You can also go in and sort them into different locations through this folder system. This gives you the ability to then say, okay, well, I only want to look at the ones from the theater, and I can go in there, and now I'm seeing those as an option as well. The cloud is a great resource for those applications where, again, you are not on site. You need to have multiple people gain access to the system as well, and then also you can set the permissions for those people as well. So from here, why don't we take a look at all the products that we offer? Yeah.
Here you go, a little Vanna White moment for everyone. So we have here all of the different families. We have the PowerBox family up there, as you can see, with the ones with the Wi-Fi, optional Wi-Fi of course. Here we have our Power PDU family with all of the different sockets that we have, the PowerBox again, and then the power cables. And let's not forget our PowerDIN friends over here.
Already rolling.
Oh.
Hey, so then also what we have here is we're talking about our open API. So obviously we speak over 10 languages in our APIs. We also have the integrations with other AV drivers out there as well. So if you have a controller automation system, we have your integration. If we don't, let us know, reach out to us. But in the meantime, if we don't have it, we have all of our open APIs. So if you're savvy, you can write your own, or if you have your own automation, own control system, you can do what you want to with it and create it yourself.
And now we're at the NETIO Toolbox, where it's basically a presentation of all of the cool features that NETIO has.
So basically what that means for us here is all of this technology allows us to give you the toolbox to then utilize the NETIO devices to control, automate, or manage your system. So for instance, in this case, we've got our button here. We push the button, the lights turn on, and then you push it again, and the lights turn off. You also have things with like the temperature sensor. We can monitor what's going on temperatures with the temperature-wise. so we can see if something gets too hot, we can make sure that the outlets either turn off or turn on. In this case, we're not going to wait for this to happen because it takes a minute for the temperature to change. So, but that gives you the ability to control all of that and make all of that stuff work together. All right, guys, thank you for joining us. We appreciate you stopping by the booth. It's been a wonderful time. We have a couple more days for ourselves, but if you stopped in after this, it's still, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Yes.
And it's been wonderful working with everybody here. Again, I'm Adam Rogers, the U.S. Product Manager.
I'm Elyse in Prague.
And we're
Looking
happy
forward
to
to
do it.
see you.
Thanks.